Model, 66-plate Citroen Relay 35 Heavy L4 HDI 150 6-speed spares or repairs ULEZ compliant open-mouth smile. Body, white, flatbed. Mileage, 220617. MOT, 6 December 2024. Engine, 2198 cc4 Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner timing chain has snapped. Gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. This could make a fantastic recovery truck grin. Features, 2 former keepers, cruise control, air con, electric windows. EU status, ULEZ compliant. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.